Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. In this video I am going to show you 3 ways to fasten your PC or laptop. But before starting the video, shout out to Martin Heidenreich, Arushi Chib, Saeed Janjua. If you also want a shout out in my next video, subscribe now. So let's start the video. First of all, refresh your PC or laptop a couple of times, then press Windows plus R. A tab will open, type in Temp and press enter. A folder will open, select all of the files and press Shift plus Delete button on your keyboard. These temporary files will be deleted, some of them will not be deleted because these files will be opened in background. Press Windows plus R and type in %temp, press enter and a tab will open. Again, delete all of the files in the current folder by pressing Shift plus Delete button on your keyboard. Now for the third time, press Windows plus R button on your keyboard. A tab will be opened and type in prefetch and press enter. A folder will be opened. Again, delete all files by pressing Shift plus Delete. By doing this, you will delete them permanently. Now for the last time, press Windows plus R button on your keyboard. A tab will be opened and type in msconfig and press enter. A new tab will be opened. Go to Boot and enable No GUI Boot. This will make sure your PC to start up fast, and then go to Advanced Options and enable all of your cores. Apply these settings and restart your PC. Since I have already done this, I am going to skip. You can do this process again after a month or week, which will make sure that your PC or laptop does not lag. So thanks for watching my video, keep supporting, it really helps a lot. Bye.